Welcome to our quick guide on how to turn on Facebook notifications for live videos on your PC. With the latest update, staying connected with your favorite live broadcasts has never been easier. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to ensure you never miss a moment of live action. First, open your preferred web browser and head to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a bell icon. That's your notification center. Give it a click to open up your notification options. Now, here's where the magic happens. In the notifications dropdown, you'll spot three little dots. Click on those dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Notifications Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize all your Facebook notifications. Scroll down the Notifications Settings page until you find the Video section. Click on it to expand your video notification options. Here's the crucial part. Look for the toggle switch next to Allow Notifications on Facebook, and make sure it's turned on. This simple action will enable push notifications for live videos right on your desktop. By enabling these notifications, you'll receive alerts whenever pages or friends you follow start a live broadcast. It's a great way to stay in the loop and join live conversations as they happen. Remember, you can always fine-tune your notification preferences. If you find you're getting too many alerts, you can easily adjust the settings or turn them off for specific pages or types of content. And there you have it. You're now all set to receive live video notifications on your PC. Whether it's breaking news, live Q&As, or fun events from your favorite creators, you'll be right there in the moment. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your enhanced Facebook Live experience.